5 minutes and counting of uninterrupted bird song from one bird. This amazing symphony of song has been happening nearly every day for more than a week at the same time of day. I don't know what bird it is that has this complex song. And the other beautiful aspect of this is that it seems that an older bird is teaching a younger bird this song pattern, or at least some of it. This bird lives in a holly tree about 100 feet from my door, and so I hear this daily, and I'm stunned by this. I've lived in this location for more than 12, no, it's 13 years now, and I've never heard this before or ever heard anything else like it before. So if you recognize this bird's song pattern, please leave a comment and let me know what bird has this much complexity built into its vocal range. It astonishes me. We're now at 8 minutes of uninterrupted song. I love it when this bird begins this journey every day around the same time, and I hear it in my office space at home. And today I thought I've got to come out and record it because, like I said, I've been around in a lot of environments and a lot of places with lots of different kinds of birds, including in protected aviaries and wonderful green spaces. And you can hear it still going on. So joyful. We've had extraordinary autumn weather. We've had a long string of perfect autumn days. And I know enough about bird reading cycles to know this is not a mating song. This is just a pure expression of joy. I thought I would share it with you.